Hello everyone, this is Dr. Lennon, and I'd like to welcome you to Developmental Math, Math 0034. That's the title of the book. It's actually Intermediate Algebra is the title of the course. Um, on the first day, that's all I really want you to do is look over the syllabus and log into Mymathlab. I'll post our first lecture starting tomorrow, but I just want to make sure you can get registered with the book and how we'll be completing all of our assignments. So I've integrated that here into our Canvas page. So this is the student view for the Canvas page. This is what you should see. If you click over here to the left, it should say My Lab and Mastering. That's the Mymathlab link. You want to click that and then click Open My Lab and Mastering. And then you're going to want to accept this agreement. You can read the user terms and services if you want. And then basically you have to sign in with the Pearson account if you've already had a Pearson account before. If you don't, you're going to need to create one. And then once you're done signing in there, you'll have the option. So I don't know, maybe I can create a fake account and see what happens. We'll see what happens. Maybe I can make one up with, I don't know, I'll just make up a fake email. See what happens if I get past here. Let's say daffyduck@gmail.com or something. Okay. Close it. Oh, the username already exists, so I've done this one before. Let's try Mickey Mouse. Okay. This one already exists as well, so we gotta try and make up another one. Probably popular ones have been used. So maybe Skyline Chili, has that been used before? Okay, so there we go. We've got something okay, so I'm just trying to create an account to see what that process looks like. It's my father's middle name, say Friedrich. Again, none of this is real. Okay, sure, I don't want other information. No, none of that applies. Oh, so I didn't use a capital letter. Let's fix that. Okay, so now I can create an account once you filled in all this information. Okay, so there you go. At this point, this is where you want to buy the access code. So if you have something, if you already have the access code, if you bought it from the bookstore or something like that, then you can just click here and enter it. So this is like some peel off tag where they've got some really long code, and you would enter that here. If not, you could buy it for, that's all you need is 18 weeks, so you could buy it for $70. You may be able to buy it through a third-party site for cheaper. I'm not sure about all that. Or you can click this Get Temporary Access without payment for 14 days. So for the first 2 weeks of the course, it's only an 8-week course. You can get that. After those 2 weeks are up, it'll bounce you back to this page, and at that point you'll have to pay if you're still enrolled in the course. So this is if you're waiting on financial aid or anything like that, or you just want to wait 2 weeks to pay. You can click this link right here, and you'll have that option. So if you want to get started today, just go ahead and click that Get Temporary Access, and you won't have to pay for anything. You can just get started. Okay, so once you've done that, you should be able to enter the course. So if I leave the student view, I can get to it through my instructor account. And I haven't assigned anything yet, but you can access some of the things. So you can go to the textbook through here, view the e-text for the course, and you'll be able to see what the textbook looks like, read any of the contents there. So you can jump around, developmental mathematics, basic mathematics and algebra. That's the course we're using. You've got a menu where you can go to, any particular section you'd want to see and go ahead and read that content. you know. But yeah, that's the textbook. You can make notes and see where you've read before and stuff like that. Typically, though, you're going to be accessing it from a particular question. So, study plan has lots of sample assignments. So, you can look at all the different chapters and take quizzes based on different topics. So, say we were in ratio and proportions. You could say, okay, this section, I could look at the quiz me, and then there's a bunch of different sections. Or you can just, usually there's also the option to practice, which are exercises like this. So they've got different exercises from the textbook you can look through. Right, 60 minutes to 50 minutes as a ratio. Say you were confused, this question help tab is useful. It'll often give you an example of exactly what they want to talk about, but with different numbers. So that's an option. And you can also get to the textbook from there. If you have a question you want to email me about, do not use this Ask My Instructor Help feature. Just email me directly at my UC email, because Mymathlab is linked to a different email account from another college, so I might not check it, or it might get bounced to my spam. It's just hard to say. But anyway, so I just want to make sure you get enrolled in this Mymathlab today, and then I'll get stuff posted. Usually what I'll be doing is I'll be posting videos just under the home tab of our Canvas page. I'll also typically post notes under files. There's a few things there now, the Algebra Tutoring Services. You can also get to the syllabus from there, or from the syllabus tab on the left side of the page. So let's just have a quick look at the syllabus. So again, I'm Dr. Lennon, or Jake Lennon. My office hours right now, I've got availability most days. You just need to email me, because a lot of people are making appointments, and we can do an online WebEx appointment. My email is lennonmw@UC. This is the ISBN of the textbook that we're using. Again, the description of the course, we're going through, again, this is an intermediate algebra course, so we'll be looking at algebra, graphing functions, a lot of the operations with functions, absolute values, radicals, roots, exponents, complex numbers. We'll deal with quadratic equations, and exponential and logarithmic functions, and then maybe even look at some basic trig if we have some time. Again, this is 8 weeks, so it's going to seem kind of fast paced. Again, attendance, this is asynchronous, so I'm just going to be recording lectures and posting them on Canvas. And then all of our course information will be through Canvas. So I'll post announcements there, and those will also get sent to your email. As far as assignments, everything is going to be through Mymathlab. So there will be roughly 6 to 8 homework assignments, 1 test and 1 final exam, and that's it. I've got your homework as 50% of your grade. Test is 25%, and your final is 25%. So, again, just contact me if you have any questions. I should be available via email. And other than that, just let me know if you're having any trouble getting enrolled in the Mymathlab course. And if not, that's all you really need to go. Other than that, we'll just be doing, like I said, online recorded lectures, and then the assignments via Mymathlab. So I look forward to a good semester, and please let me know if you have any questions or troubles getting enrolled. So this is Dr. London signing out.